Hello friends, welcome back to Naresh Online Academy. This is Durga Prasad. Today we are going to discuss top 10 previous year questions in business statistics for CPGET. Now let's get into the video. First question. When the values in a series do not have the equal importance, we calculate the dash. A. Mode. Option A, mode. Option B, weighted mean. Option C, arithmetic mean. Option D, none of the above. So here in this question they are asking that series do not have the equal importance. Values in a series do not have the equal importance. So observations are not having the equal importance. So we have to give weights to equalize. So giving the weights or allocating the weights to equalize the observations. Therefore, the correct answer is option B is the correct answer for this question, that is weighted mean. Now come to the second question. Which of the following diagrams is used to find the value of mode graphically? Option A, pie chart. Option B, bar graph. Option C, histogram. Option D, none of the above. Here, this is one of the basic question, fundamental question. So to represent the graph, to represent the mode graphically, we will use the histograms. So correct answer is option C is the correct answer for this question. Now come to the third question. The coefficient of variation is a percentage expression for dash. Option A, standard deviation. Option B, quartile deviation. Option C, mean deviation. Option D, none of the above. Here, if you know the coefficient of variation formula, you can easily answer this question. See here, coefficient of variation is equal to standard deviation by arithmetic mean. So it is the percentage of standard deviation. So it is expressing the percentage of standard deviation with respect to the arithmetic mean. So here the correct answer is option A, that is the standard deviation. Now come to the fourth question. Calculate the Fisher ideal index given Laspere index is 110, Passy index is 108. So option A is the 100, option B is the 108, option C is the 109, and option D is the 110, 110. Now here, if you know the formula for Passey's index number formulas, Passey's index number is the root of last pair index number and Passey's index number. Fisher ideal index number is equal to is the root of last pair's index number and Passey's index number. So Fisher formula is the combination of last pairs and Passey's with square root. So here also they are given last pair value 110, passive value 108. So root of 110 into 108. So that is nothing but 108.90. If you calculate, the value is 108.90. So therefore the correct answer is 109. So here the option is C is the right answer for this question. So this is one of the basic question or fundamental question. If you know the index number formulas, you can easily answer the fourth question. Now come to the fifth question. What does this statement mean? Price index of the base year concerning 125. They are asking the meaning of this statement. Option A, 25 percentage of price increased current year in the comparison to base year. Option B, 125 percentage of price increased in the current year in comparison to the base year. 100 percentage of price has increased in the current year in comparison to the base year. Option C, none of the above. So here usually in the index numbers the base year value is 100, but here the statement is saying that it is 125. That means the 25% is increasing. So option A is the correct answer for this question. So 25 percentage of increasing in the current year in comparison to the base year. Very simple question. Now come to the sixth question. So in a straight line equation, y is equal to a plus bx. B is in a straight line equation, y is equal to a plus bx. Then what is the b? What b refers? They are asking what b refers. So option A, y-intercept, B, slope, C, x-intercept, D, trend. See here, y is equal to a plus b, a plus bx equation. In this equation, a is nothing but y-intercept, b is nothing but slope, x is nothing but an independent variable. So they are asking the b. So b is the slope. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is option B. Come to the next question. Seventh question. So the 3 years moving average of the year 2005 is given by. They are given 2004 value 3, 2005 value 6, 2006 value 9, 7 value is 3, 2008 value is 4. So 2005 3 years moving average they are asking to find out. So from 2005 you have to consider 2005 value, 2006 value, 2007 value. 3 years moving average means 3 years. 3 years moving average. Move from 2005. 2005, 2006, 2007. Average is nothing but sum of the observations divided by number of the observations. 6 plus 9 plus 3. 6 plus 9 plus 3 divide 6 plus 9 plus 3 divided by 3, that is equal to 18 by 3. 18 by 3 is equal to 6. So here which option is correct? Option C is the correct answer. So C is 6 here. So therefore for the seventh question the correct answer is option C. Now come to the eighth question. If the probability of E is equal to 0.07, then what is the probability of not E? See here in the probability, what is the meaning of probability? Probability is nothing but combination of happening of an event or non-happening of an event. So, for example, if any event happen, what is the chances to happening of an event? Equal chances to happening of an event and equal chances to non-happening of an event. So, therefore, here always the probability is equal to 1. 50% chance to happening of an event, 50% of chances to non-happening of an event. 50% is nothing but 0.5, 50% is nothing but 0.5. 0.5 plus 0.5 is 1. So therefore the probability is equal to 1. So here not E means not the probability of E. So assumption is probability is 1 minus 0.07. Then the answer is 0.93. So correct answer is option A is the correct answer for this question. Now come to the next question. That is ninth question. Probability question. A bag has white marbles, 5 white marbles, 8 red marbles, 4 purple marbles. If we take a marble randomly, then what is the probability of not getting purple marble? So they are asking to find out the probability of not getting purple marble. Here the probability is nothing but total favorable events divided by total events. What is the meaning of favorable event? Favorable events means required events. What they are asking to calculate in the question, that will become our favorable events. So here what is our favorable events? Not getting purple marbles. So total how many marbles are there? 5 white, 8 red, 4 purple. 5 plus 8 plus 4. 5 plus 8 plus 4 is 17. That means total marbles are 17. Out of 17, what we required? Not getting purple. So remove the purple. Purple is how many purples we have? 4. Remove that 4. 17 minus 4 is the 13. Now, so total favorable events is not getting purple is 13. Then total number of events is 17. So 13 by 17 is 0.0. 0.77. 0.77 is the correct answer for this question. Option D is the correct answer. Now come to the 10th question. A card is drawn from set of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting queen card. So they're asking to find out what is the probability of getting a queen card. Option A 1 by 26, B 1 by 13, C 4 by 53, D 4 by 13. So here same formula again. Total favorable events divided by total outcome. Outcome is nothing but also event. So now here total favorable events. What they're asking? Getting a queen. So out of 52 cards, there are 4 queen cards. 4 queen cards. So total cards are 52. That is total events. So now substitute in the formula 4 by 52. 4 ones are and 13s are. So 1 by 13. So here the correct answer is option B is the 1 by 13. Thank you friends. If you really like this video, please like the video and share this video to your friends and please subscribe our channel. Thank you.